These are the seeds of Cycnus nux vomica, also known as Cuchilla. It is spinal poison, directly acting on spinal cord through active principles called strychnine, brucin and logenin. Now talking about the characteristic features of the nux vomica seeds, as all you can see that they are more or less flat. They are flat, circular disc shape, or they are concave on one side. So this is the depressed part, concave on one side and convex on the other side. Concave, convex. The usual diameter of each seed, that is 2.5 centimeter. 6 millimeter is the average thickness for each seed. They are light brown in color, having shiny surface that is studded with the as you can see that silky fibers are there over the shiny surface, radiating silky fibers. They are hard, tough and difficult to fragmentize. So these are the characteristic features of the seeds of Cycnus nux vomica, and from this feature only you will identify that they are the seeds of Cycnus nux vomica only. The main diagnostic feature of the nux vomica toxicity, that is convulsion. It is said that the convulsions are mostly seen in or most marked in the anti-gravity muscles. Anti-gravity muscles are most affected, so the body arches in hyperextension position. So in the supine position, the body is supported by heels and head only. The legs are adducted and extended, the arms are flexed over the chest and the hands are tightly clenched. The head is bent backward and the whole the body in hyperextension, so assume a bow-like form, that is known as opisthotonous position. If the convulsions affect the abdominal muscles, then the body will bend forwards, then is known as emprosthotonous position. And if body bend sideways, that is known as pleurosthotonous position. Risus sardonicus is the condition where the angle of mouth are bent backwards. One of the features, diagnostic features of nux vomica poisoning. It is said that one crushed seed is enough to cause death. So fatal dose, one crushed seed or 50 to 100 milligram. Pentobarbital sodium or sodium amytal are the antidotes to the strychnine. Thank you.